Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find someone's Amazon storefront. This is incredibly useful when you've discovered a seller whose products you really like and want to explore their complete collection in one place. Let's jump right in and get this done. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the features we'll need for this tutorial. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the main search bar. This is where you'll type in what you're looking for. Go ahead and enter your search query here. This could be anything you're interested in finding, whether it's a specific product category or a particular item you have in mind. After you've typed in your search, hit enter and Amazon will display a list of results for you. Take a moment to browse through these options and look for something that catches your eye. The key here is finding a product from the seller whose storefront you want to explore. Once you've found a product that interests you, click on it. This will take you to the individual product page where you can see all the details, images, and information about that specific item. Give the page a second to fully load so you can see everything clearly. Here's the important part. Look near the product image and the main product information section. You'll notice a clickable link that says Visit Store. This is your gateway to the seller's complete storefront. Click on that link and you'll be taken directly to their dedicated store page where you can browse their entire catalog of products, learn more about the seller, and discover other items they offer. And there you have it. You've successfully found and accessed an Amazon seller storefront. This makes it so much easier to explore everything a particular seller has to offer without having to search for their products individually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.